You tell me. eh,
We're good? Are we good? I think
Are
we're
we
good.
good? I think we're good. You're good. If you say so, I trust you, my boy. So if
I
you say
trust you
so, I'm
more. How
good
about that?
too. Alrighty, I think we're good then.
You got a fresh
We're
cut?
good. I got a fresh cut. Yes, it's Tuesday. Man,
Tuesday.
the barber I went to, bro, the softest hands ever, my guy.
Whoa.
That man, ooh, bro, he would like touch it like,
Uh-huh.
damn, hallelujah, bro. He
Hallelujah.
left me crispy. Yes, sir.
Wow.
That man knew how to cut hair.
Did
No, I
you...
went to a barbershop, my hometown.
Okay.
Unfortunately, he's not here. But I went over there. I got recommended by one of my friends, and
Uh-huh.
I went out with a different style of haircut. Right? I got, I think it's kind of low taper fade or something like that.
A low taper fade.
And
Jose, your
I
mic
feel
is a
it.
little laggy for
Yeah.
some reason.
I hear yours a little bit laggy too.
Huh. Is it
Hello,
Discord? Oh
hello,
yeah,
hello.
Discord ping is really bad. What the?
Ooh. Let me see. Let me
Let,
see. Let me see.
let me
Let me see.
reset my Discord. Yeah, you should probably reset it
Yeah,
too
me
if you
too. Let me
can.
see. I'll be back up. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back.
Fix this. Discord and let's change this up real quick. What's up, Clat? How you doing, bud? Hold up. I'm about to read your thing in a second. Give me one moment. Hello? Dude, the ping is still bad. Jose? Alright, Clat, let me read your thing real quick. Clat said... Also, welcome back, Clat. Good seeing you. Bro, I was waiting for you guys' stream, and I was on the data breaching website to see if my data has been leaked on the dark web, and it has. But then I hear random voices in the background, and I thought my computer got hacked. Didn't realize you guys started streaming. What's up? Dude, I'm so glad nothing bad happened, and it turns out it was our stream. I appreciate you for waiting. But yeah, I feel like all our data is on the dark web somewhere. New camera? Who got a new camera? Oh, Jose? Well, he's always had this camera. It's just that he was over there in his hometown, and now he's back in the town we go to school at. So he's always had that camera.
Hello, hello.
Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm
I
back.
bet it was
Yee,
Discord,
I'm back.
man.
I'm back.
I hope. I don't think it was anything on. We just needed to reset it.
Alrighty, bet, bet, bet. All good
Yeah.
though. I'm here.
Plat's
I'm
in the
here.
stream. Plat's in the stream.
Hey, Clat, I saw he got hacked. Oh, damn.
No, they're
Eh,
fine. They're fine.
woo.
Let's see. Clad, let us know a little bit more about you, Clad.
Oh.
I always see you. I always see you in here. What are you? You're studying computer science, and if so, what would you like to do in the computer science field? I'm very curious. I'm very curious to know.
Yes, sir. Well, I've always seen you here in the on the chat. You're the Clat the man.
What's
You
up,
know.
Ali? What's up, Ali?
Hey, Ali, welcome to the stream, Ali. And Clat, new camera? No, I think it's just the lighting. I got better lighting over here in this setup, so I think I think you could see me
But
better.
weren't you using your webcam on your laptop camera?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But now this
But
is an
over,
actual camera.
no, this is my webcam.
You're
But I think it's
lying.
just the lighting.
You're being serious?
Yeah, I think it's just the lighting. Yeah.
Okay,
Does it
well
look better?
I'm wrong, Clat. I thought that was I thought that was like a camera he had only over there.
No.
Okay, okay. That's on me. That's on me.
Yeah, no, I know, I'm good, I'm good. No,
What
I
you been
think
up?
it's the lighting.
Oh, okay. What you been up to, Jose? Catch me up. Catch me up.
Not much. Just got here again, back to an essay, ready for school tomorrow. Thankfully, my only class is at 7 p.m. So I get to
Oh,
wake up a little late tomorrow, finish some stuff that didn't get to finish today. But hey, I'm here. I'm ready for another stream. I'm excited.
Yeah.
You know, I'm ready to tackle the hard problem that we didn't finish last time. But we were close. We're like 80% there. We just need that 20. So
Yeah.
I'm in here. I'm in here, my guy. What about you? What have you been up to?
Uh, Dude, honestly,
Any basketball?
I've been playing basketball. Um,
Mm,
this past weekend I had a little friend event. It was really fun.
yes,
It
sir.
was a good one. Um, and then I went to sleep at 7 a.m. last night or
Oh,
today, or today.
damn. Okay,
So
I see you. I see you.
I woke up at like
Okay.
one or so, and then now I'm
Okay.
here.
Hey, that's
Yeah,
good, brother. That's
but
good.
I'm getting ready for tomorrow, making sure we hit the ground running, sprinting. We hit the
Of
ground
course.
sprinting, or maybe
Sprinting,
even crawling
sprinting.
on all fours for extra speed, right? But just
Uh-huh.
focus on that. Focus on. Oh, I was playing like Terraria. You know Terraria, the game?
Oh yeah, it's like the Minecraft game, no?
Yeah, yeah. I've
No,
been
similar to Minecraft game. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I've been playing that, so it's been really fun. But our voices are
All right.
again lagging.
Yeah, they're again a little laggy. Yeah, I can hear you.
Do you want to just switch to
Yeah, I think.
a different call? Like I call you on.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Okay, let's figure that out. Hello.
Hello, hello,
All right, good for now. Clat.
hello,
Clat
hello.
said, "I want to work on data
Okay.
analysis
There you
and different data sets. I want to be a data engineer,
go.
and your school starts tomorrow too." That's very
Hey, welcome to the
interesting.
club.
Data analysis and different data sets. Okay. A follow
Yeah.
up
All
question to
right.
that is what made you want to try to become a data engineer? Do you have someone close to you that has a similar that's in a field or has a similar interest or how does someone get that idea of becoming a data analysis? Do you like numbers? Do you like math or uh, I don't know. I'm just curious. I'm
I,
just curious.
I I have another follow-up question.
Follow up
Sorry
question.
for I'm a little bit, unknown with data engineering. Yeah, I don't really know what it is, but I'm interested because I hear it everywhere. So, like, what exactly is it? Is it like AI? What type of like data do you guys work with? Like, essentially, what do they do? If that makes sense, right? Because
Okay.
I've heard it a lot. I'm completely honest. I don't really know what it is, right? But I'm interested. I'm interested. So if you get to like, if you want, of course, give us like a short description, right, to show the world. But yeah, just a little follow up after Carlos' questions, of course, of course. You know, yes, yes. But hey, you ready, my boy? Ooh, I don't think I can hear
Yeah,
you.
I just changed
Oh,
the
okay,
title.
okay. Oh, you good, you good, you
I
good.
put it to school starts tomorrow. Let's do LeetCode.
Hey,
What's
I
up,
always a
Kai? What's up,
grinder.
Kai? How you
What's
doing?
up,
How you
Cairo?
doing?
Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
All right.
All right.
Enough yapping from me. Let's get it going.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Oh, oh, can you share your screen whenever you
Oh
get the
yes,
chance? Yeah,
yes,
for
yes,
sure, for
yes.
sure. Oh wow, let's see, let's see, let's see. Pop it up. There we go. Ooh, make it full screen. All right, where did we leave off? Okay,
Okay, hold up.
okay,
Do I
okay.
need to put it full screen? And
Okay.
then let me do this. Do this. Okay. All right. So right now, me and Jose are still, just to remind y'all, we're still trying to do the blind 75. We're on sliding window, and we got stuck on a hard problem. I believe
Yep,
we
yep.
worked on this problem for about 3 hours last stream,
I
and
think so, give or take.
we got very close, but very close is not a solved problem. So we want to make sure we solve this problem, and that's about it. After that, we're gonna go into binary search, which I feel like this might be the easiest one.
Yeah.
I might be wrong, but no, actually, I am totally wrong. I don't know why I'm assuming that. So, anyways, it's only two problems. So hopefully we get it done in one stream. After that, we got trees. This one might start off as very easy because we've done these problems before, and then these hard ones, I can only imagine how they are. Other than that, our main focus is this hard problem, and that's about it.
All
So
right.
before we start, let's see what Clat had to say, and then we'll get started. Clat said, "Yeah, I believe that our data and data in general is really important, and if we can analyze and predict how data behaves, an analyst can use this to their advantage for their customers. That's just one example."
Ooh, okay,
Okay,
I see, I
okay,
see.
okay,
Alrighty.
okay. I think
Okay, I see, I see.
that's very nice.
Yeah, I see what that means. Okay. So they kind of like play around with data to see
How they
the
could use it to their
trends per
advantage.
se. Yeah. Okay, I see, I see. Alrighty. That
Jose,
makes sense. That makes sense.
Do you think we're
Uh-huh.
just data?
Us? Oh, I mean,
Like, think
mm,
about it. Do you think we're data? I'm not even saying like our online activity. Yeah, obviously we're just data. But like, if you talk about it
like
like
generally, like as
like
a whole,
as a whole, like Earth, do you think we're data?
I think so. I think so, because essentially
Who's using our data? Who
the
created
people
the
above
data?
us, the people above us. I mean, if you think about it, our feelings, our thoughts, our likes, our dislikes are all data, you know, but they're more like a personal data, like more like a human data.
Uh
You
huh.
get me? If that's what you're gonna call it. And then you have your politicians, your businesses, your CEOs, your salesmen that do use that data, right, to their advantage. So I
Yeah.
think we are data, right, to some
You
extent, right?
would you
We
ever
are
get
data.
the you know what Neuralink is, right?
Uh-huh.
Would you ever
Mm-hmm.
get that? I don't know if I told you
Mm.
if I asked you this question before, but
uh I don't
also
think so. I don't think
I wanna
so.
put a poll for the chat too. I know only a couple people in here, which is no problem, but I wanna say,
Yeah.
would what should the question be?
Do you think we're data?
No, the Neuralink. Will they ever get
Oh, okay.
Neuralink?
Would you get a Neuralink? Would you get any? Me personally, I would say no. I've seen like the potential Neuralink has some
I
people,
think it's
right?
Neuralink, but I spelled it wrong. Just don't worry about that. Anyways, keep going.
But I've seen like the potential Neuralink on people. But me personally, I would say no. I don't like technology messing around with my brain. Because after that, it's like a it's like a gateway drug, right?
Okay.
Where it's like you take it on and you want more, you want more, you want more
Well, that's why
until we kind of.
they'll update you. Software
Yeah, I mean,
updates.
yeah, but like I'm saying like more like robotic, right? Like we're gonna
Yes, they're gonna
get
eventually become just a robot.
exactly like cyberpunk, you get me? Where they
Okay.
have like pieces of robots
And
and
then all of a
stuff,
sudden, like we have like a heart pacer in our body that
Exactly.
determines how long we could live. And let's say people control that pacer, and we have a currency now. I don't know. There was a movie that about like time is the
Oh,
currency,
time. Yeah, in
right?
time. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And if you want to order something, you got to use your time
The
as the currency.
time.
What if
Nah.
it turns into that? If we ever have like a pacer in our body, a pacer implant, and they're like, hey, there's a
Exactly.
currency added to it. If you want this, we're gonna reduce that pacer currency.
Oh.
If you're bankrupt, have no more currency, that pacer they're gonna destroy it, or they're gonna remote control detonate it, and you're donezo.
Nah,
So
that's
because
crazy.
in that sense, if we're like mostly robot, you could technically maybe be immortal, right? So there has to be some sort of way to
The
give
kill or like
mortality,
yeah,
right,
exactly.
towards a person, and that might be
Hmm.
the currency, something like that. But
Yeah.
just
Or
anyways, my follow. Go. What are you gonna say?
talking about data analysis, you know
Yeah.
how our heartbeats react to our emotions?
Yes.
right? Let's say we get super excited because we see something.
Uh huh.
Companies can use that heart rate, those like spikes of heart rate to like determine what's giving you that
Well, I
emotion.
think they're already doing that. Depending
You
on if you
think,
have an Apple Watch or not, you might you might
ooh,
even know
yeah.
it. But your Apple Watch might be actually. I don't care. I don't trust these big companies, and I don't.
Uh-huh.
I okay, my bad. I don't trust these big companies because
Hmm.
they could say, "Oh yeah, your data's protected, this and that." But bro, do we should we trust that or should we not trust that? So, anyways, when they say like, "Oh, the data that's being taken on your heart rate or whatever is not being used or will never be used or whatever," I don't believe that. I'm not saying that they're
Yeah.
currently doing it, but I'm saying that there's always a possibility that that data can be used somewhere else to their
Oh yeah, for
advantage in some
sure.
way or
For
sort.
sure.
But that's very interesting that you brought up. And then now,
Yeah.
didn't I already tell you about this? I'm segueing a lot, but I told you
Yeah, no worries.
that there's devices that are being made and being cloaked as like new innovative things, like how the
Uh-huh.
iPhone, how it came out with
Uh-huh.
the Touch ID, the fingerprint.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
now
yeah.
they got it. Now they have our fingerprint. Okay, they came out with this new security feature for your phone, Face ID. Only
Uh-huh.
your face can unlock your phone. Boom. Now they have your whole biometric face scan. Okay, I'm surprised. They
Yeah.
probably have your eye scan too.
Oh
On
yeah,
top of that, right?
100%.
And then
Yeah.
now or Siri too. Siri was probably the first thing. Now Siri could listen to you whenever right? They say it's not listening to you, or however they
Oh, it
explain it, right?
is,
However they
bro.
explain it, but the logic is whenever you say the Siri's name in that prompt, it's gonna talk to you. So does that mean it's always listening, and then it's only gonna register that Siri name, or like how does that work?
Uh-huh.
Anyways, that's a whole different subject. Then now talking about the present, they came out with the Apple Vision Pro, right?
Oh
How does
yeah,
that
yeah.
work? How does that AR depth of field work?
It
It needs to
scans
scan your
your
house.
it
It needs to
scans
scan
your
everything.
house.
And it's
Yes,
not just a
sir.
stationary area. You
Uh-huh.
could have that thing portable and you could go in the office, you could go
Yeah.
to your kitchen, you could go in the restroom. And then what do you think it's doing? It's scanning your
Yeah.
whole house
Bro, you don't even have
to do its feature. All
yeah.
right, they
Well,
cloak it.
uh-huh.
Not saying they have bad intentions for it, but it's cloaked as in,
They
oh, you
sell
could
it as
watch
a
movies. You could watch
uh-huh. Uh-huh.
movies in a big screen or whatever. It's so cool, multitask, right? But
Yeah.
also that data is still being collected. Not saying that they're bad and they have bad intentions with that data, but I'm just saying that we're used to this cloaking
Yeah.
thing when in reality our privacy is it's gone. It's no more.
Yeah. Oh,
It's no more.
100%.
And do I
You don't
want that
have
Apple Vision
uh-huh.
Pro? Yes, I do. Just to say all that, I do. Keep going.
No, you don't even have to go that far. Have you seen those discs that clean your house?
The Roombas.
Yeah. Guess how they
Yes.
do it? They scan your house first.
Yeah.
And then they go bzz, 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 bzz. The fridges with like little screens. They have cameras, they have mics. I think there was a case where I don't know what the brand is, but they got sued because their fridges were listening to the houses, like they had open mics and they were
Damn.
listening to the people, talking. It's just crazy, man.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Like, like,
I'm gonna
oof.
mention what Clint said right here
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
before I go back to what I was gonna originally say. Clint said, um, "Big tech companies sell our data to other companies for retargeted advertisements. That's why sometimes we get ads for things we just looked up. Basically, every action we perform online gets converted into data. Viewing stuff equals data. Buying equals data. Searching equals data. Correct. We're in the matrix. That could be true. Recently, Clad just said, there's a professional cybersecurity engineer who bought a Bluetooth sweeping device from China. He did some testing and connected the Bluetooth and found that
Hmm.
Bluetooth connected to a cloud server in China, which isn't supposed to happen.
So
Yeah,
basically, we're sending data to the
yeah,
cloud.
that's very
Oh,
interesting. Very, very
yeesh.
interesting. So, anyways, I want to go back to what I was saying about the Neuralink, right? So I know
Alrighty.
I segued into that, but I mentioned Neuralink because we're talking about how similarly our whole life could be. You could see it as like a data sense, right? And
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I was watching a podcast on Elon Musk talking about his Neuralink because I'm
Uh-huh.
interested on how the patients that got the implant. I'm interested on where their progress is
Oh
at,
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
so he obviously is the only guy that probably talks about it because he is the head overseer of it. So
Mm-hmm.
I was listening to him, and he brought up something interesting, saying that the person with a Neuralink can understand and comprehend more words per second than like a computer than any human can. So, for example, people might enjoy watching YouTube videos at 1.5x speed, right? Or people might
Oh.
enjoy it at 2 times x speed. If
Mm-hmm.
you have that ability to understand words in that amount of time, you could do that. But most humans
Oh.
aren't capable of doing that and much rather prefer the normal speed of voice, right? But
Yeah, 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 yeah.
with a Neuralink and data processing, you could be processing data at a very much faster rate
Yeah.
than any human could ever possibly imagine.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I thought that stuck with me because I never thought of like me and you talking right now. We're processing data back and
Yeah.
forth, and my brain is converting it at a speed that may be different than yours. Maybe yours converts it faster, but we're converting it at like a general range of speed that only humans have the capability of. But if you have any sort of external device in your head, you could be exponentially increasing that processing speed to what we can't imagine. And I thought that was
Yeah.
insane.
No, have
I
you
thought that
seen
was crazy.
the patient that got the implant? He's like
Yeah.
I don't know what the medical term is, but he's like basically paralyzed from his neck down,
Okay.
and he got the implant, and he's a
Yeah.
gamer. He used to
Yeah.
play with like a little setup that he had that he would move with his mouth. Now he just moves like he aims, he just thinks of it, and the computer does it. You
Yes.
get me? He's
That's
like, oh,
crazy.
shoot this guy that I'm looking at. And the little Neuralink would send like it's like connected to the computer some sort. The character would like point and shoot at the guy. It's
Yeah.
just crazy,
It is
right?
crazy.
And it's like, damn, bro, like how powerful that is. Man, oh
Anyways,
man.
I'm my bad.
All right. All
Cloud has
good.
a question. Wait, Cloud has a
All
question.
righty.
Cloud
Do
said,
you? Okay,
"You
go
go,
for it. Go
you
for it.
go, you go."
All right. Question. Do you think we will have enough land in the future for the next generations to come, or will we eventually run out of space on Earth? Well,
Absolutely. That's my
according
opinion, but
to,
go, Jose.
well, I don't know what I've like recent to what my knowledge, our birth rate is going down. It's downhill. Like we're not producing as many babies compared to the deaths. You get me? So our birthday, like as a general, as a world, it's going a little bit down, right? Right. And I heard this like a couple 2 years ago, right? I don't know. Have you read anything recent? So I think our like the birth rate of the world is going down, but right, some places are overpopulated in some countries, right? There's not enough space for people to live in, right? But as a general, as in the whole, as of the world, I think we're underpopulated, or like the birth rate is going downhill. But of course, like I said, there's like certain countries, certain cities, certain areas where it's overpopulated. In those cases, in those little areas, they do need more land. But as a whole, I think we are good for now, right? But eventually, in like future generations, I think we will have to move, right? But not because of population, more like of resources and stuff, like water, oil and stuff, but not because of space. To my understanding. I know
The
you
way
said no, so go for
the
it.
way
Yeah,
I
yeah,
see
I want
it
to hear that.
is that regardless of population, we always are finding new ways to create buildings or factories or computer
Mm,
factories or of some sort, storages, right? there's always
Yeah.
gonna be reasons for those types of
Yeah.
buildings, right? In which I
Yeah.
think eventually we'll run out space. We'll run out of
Oh yeah.
space
Okay. Okay.
because we're trying to scale. We're trying to scale the technology, and we need space to scale it, to create.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. I
like
get
you
you.
know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah. I
not
get you. I
necessarily
get you.
population, but
But
just
like,
not like scale wise
oh, I see.
of
Okay. I okay.
like
Yeah.
microchips, or like just imagine like
Yeah.
all the technological creations. Like we need
Uh-huh.
more space to create more of it, and then
Yeah. I get you.
like you mentioned, resources. And once we run out of resources, we're cooked because
Yeah. We're
we
good.
gotta go somewhere else, right? Unless we find a
Yeah.
way to create a new type of element that eliminates all of those resources we relied on, right? So
Yeah.
to answer your question, for me, I think we'll eventually run out of space due to that,
Yeah.
and Jose said his reasons, but
We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see.
we'll see what happens. Yeah, I won't be there for that. That's for sure. So
Yeah.
good luck. Good
Me
luck
neither.
to the future generation.
To the future.
All right,
Uh,
Jose. I'm sorry. I
all
went on a whole
right.
tangent. I'm sorry about
All
that.
good, buddy. All good, buddy. You're good.
If you could try to get them back to where we're at on here, that'd be great.
Alrighty.
I need to open a vent real quick.
All right.
Good
Yeah,
luck.
for sure, for sure. So we're doing a hard problem called minimum window substring. This number 76. Just an FYI, if I'm looking straight over here, it's because my camera is in this angle and I have my monitor over here. This thing does have a camera, so I'm gonna be looking this way, right? But I got the chat here, so don't worry, don't worry. So we're problem 76 is our first hard problem. We were getting there, but we needed a little bit more of a we're so close. We're like 80% there. Still have to figure out the logic. I feel like what's we're missing here is the order of things we're doing. Like we're getting some stuff right, but some things wrong. It's like like if you're following a recipe, right? You have to you have to do certain steps first, right? Well, we're doing those steps wrong. We have to figure out the order. But basically, this problem is that we're giving what's it called, a string called t with certain characters. In this case, for example, one we're given abc. We have to find the substring, the what is it, smallest substring that contains those three characters abc inside substring s. For example, here it will be b and a and c. Even though we can find abc on the first, what is it, first six letters, right? But since six is greater than four, we go with the four, which is b, a, and c. So that's a little bit of a snippet, right? We spend quite the time on working on it last stream, right? And we got up to here. We finished on debugging, right? But we're back. We're gonna finish it right now, right? And we're close though. We're close. Like I said, we just have to figure out a little bit things, and we're good to go. This is yes.
All right. So do you want me just to click run to?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Let's get this.
I see where we end up, where we left off.
Man, I like those conversations. Anyways.
Hey, they're cool. They're cool.
All right.
All right. I think
So
these
we don't
test
have the
cases
test
work.
cases that we had before.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
So let's go through
I
that.
think just. All
Did I
right.
pass
No,
it?
I love those conversations. They're really interesting because like I don't know, because you can hear different perspectives
Mm.
of other people. For example, I didn't think about the land on scale wise, like factories getting bigger and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So that idea, I was like, damn, I didn't think of that one. That's nice. All right, let's run it, my boy.
Where do I run it at? I'm having a brain fart.
Oh, on top, on top,
Oh.
on the middle, top middle.
Oh. Anyways. Ignore that.
All good, all good. Ooh. Okay. Okay, okay. Mm. Oh, okay. What is this detecting?
I don't.
Till
Is there a way we could
it's
trace this out, or what do you need me to show you? What do you need me to show you?
no. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good there.
This one. This one's probably easier to.
This one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's
Okay.
solve this one first. All right. So we're giving T, O P U C O Q N Y X S W O H G. Okay. But okay. Hmm. If so,
Don't
this
tell
C
me it's
fits
cap.
here.
It's cap sensitive too.
I don't think so. No, I
Okay.
don't think so. I don't think so because we're detecting some. It's detecting lowercase letters and stuff. So I don't think so. And it didn't say on the problem either. So I'm assuming it is not, right? But I do see here a problem because Z on this one is gonna
Mhm.
hit the first if statement when SL, which is the first letter, is not in frequency. It says continue, but SL is never moving to X, right? So SL is always gonna stay in Z, and Z is never gonna be in frequency keys. So we're gonna continue, 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 continue. We're never gonna reach the bottom.
Okay. So make an adjustment to
Yeah.
L
Yeah,
SL
L
L.
plus L plus equal one. Yeah, yeah, L plus equal. Yeah, yeah. I think that's what's happening here. Ooh. Okay.
Wait. Okay. L.
I think it's the length S plus one. I think we're going all past the one, if I'm not
Okay.
mistaken. Let's see. Okay, we got six. We got that one right, but now we're getting all of these wrong. How so? Go to the first case. Hmm.
What do you need me to
Mm,
look at?
let me see. Go all the way down. Let's see. Let's see. BANT. I think it has to do with the plus one because remember we were having that problem that we were skipping the next one, the next like the we were skipping a letter. I don't know if you remember.
I think I do.
Yeah, like we were skipping the last letter, and I think it would that's what's happening again because we removed the plus one. Um, hmm.
And if we add the plus one,
I think this one, it's gonna give us the error. Yeah.
so should we figure out this then?
Mm,
I mean, this is a test case for when
yeah.
like I feel like changing this will affect a lot more than just changing this. But what do you think?
Let me see. It's because fast. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see. Remove the plus one over here. Let's go back. Let's see to the outs. Let's see the output that it's giving us. Go to view more, and let's see what the last true that it gave us. So it's giving us true BANC. Hmm. Okay, I see. I see. Mm, okay. What do you think? What do you think?
Mm, the reason for this one was because if it counts C, oh,
Yeah.
they're
Um,
supposed to stop.
it's because
Uh,
over here in 49, we're not doing. You see how 39 on line 39, we're doing
yeah.
the +1 here, but now we're not doing on string. Oh, over here in line 49, which is like at the bottom. Yeah, right there. I think try adding a +1 to the R. Let's see if that works. Not sure, but if we're doing it there, okay. Hmm. Okay. That is very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Hmm. What do you think? What do you think?
I think we should figure out this.
Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Let's see. Let's see.
It says, I'm gonna run this right here. Okay. Now this works because, like you were mentioning, it's Z would have got caught
Mm-hmm.
because if SL, which is at 0, not in the keys,
Mm-hmm.
then continue. So
Yeah.
then
Uh-huh.
R is now 1, right?
Yeah.
L is still 0. If S0 not in, then continue. And then it keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, and it never checks. Yay or
Yeah.
nay?
Yay.
But why is there checking right here?
Let's see. Where's it? Oh, okay. I see. I see. Mm-hmm.
Starts off right there.
You're right. You're right. Mm.
So when does it not hit this? Oh, wait.
It's because we're not doing the +1 on the. I think if you want to go back to the original,
Say that one more time.
it's working because we set it to the L plus equal 1. So it's checking until we hit R that's inside
Frequency
the
keys.
mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So
So that's
then,
why it's
was
working.
this right?
Yeah,
Without
that
it?
one's right. Without it, I'm not sure. Let's see.
Because you were saying add L so this can move over, right? Weren't you saying that?
Yeah, yep, yep. Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Yeah, because if we just leave continue, L's not moving anywhere.
But if it's not in the keys, then wait.
If
Then how does it
if it's
check if R is in the key? How does it
uh
say? How does L gets incremented to this? I'm confused.
well, it's because here if you remove the +1, L is never gonna get incremented. Only R is getting incremented. So L is staying at Z, R is going to X, G, S, X,
So
S, all
then,
the way to R.
how does it work here?
Okay, here, because A is inside the A is inside the frequency T. So it says
Okay.
A not in frequency, it is in frequency, so we don't do continue.
So
The
you're saying
only
a test case could be same as this, but let's add just stuff
yeah,
that's not in it. So
yeah,
Z is not in it.
yeah,
And we'll see what happens.
yeah. And I think you're missing the +1 on 22. On the 4, I think we had it as a +1. Yes, +1. There you go.
I gotta delete one.
What do you mean? Oh, you only have a max. I think it's 8. No, case 8.
Okay.
You can remove the one of those because we already have a test case that covers that particular case. Wow. Oh, it's because you remove 15. You're missing the T. So it's ABC. You're missing the ABC.
Oh, how did?
Yeah. The just copy line number 2 and paste it. Yeah. There we go. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, because C is never. It's hitting always continue. And if you want, I think you can print it out like what L is right there on line 27. Yeah, inside the if statement. You can do SL. Yeah. And I think it's gonna give you all Z's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
All
we found.
Z's.
Okay, so this is a problem, which
Yeah.
is good. We found a problem.
Yeah.
Now let's see. What's the solution towards this? Huh. So the reason why. Which one was it? This one. The reason why this one wasn't working is because it's still on Z.
Yeah.
We
Mm-hmm.
needed to move over
Mm-hmm.
until it finds
A letter
what's
that's
supposed to be in
inside.
it.
Yeah.
If we say L plus equals 1, it
I think
solves this one? It doesn't.
yes, but you have
Remove
to
this.
remove the +1. Yeah, because you're gonna go out of bounds.
So it does solve this.
I'm assuming it will. Yes.
But now these don't work, and this one doesn't work because
We're looking for
why?
the wrong one. Let's see. Okay, so frequencies, we check if that's true if each frequency is less than target, if it equals false. Okay. Okay. Let us see. Can you scroll down a little bit on the codes, on the code side so we can see the rest of
Oh,
the code?
yeah.
Yeah, all good. All
Let me
right,
zoom
okay,
out a
here
little
we
bit.
go. All right, bet. Okay, there we go. That's perfect. So we got that. So we check if it's true. Then if check print target.
Sorry,
Okay.
my desktop is lagging, I guess.
All good. No, all good.
You can see it or
No
no?
worries. Yes. I can see it.
Yeah.
If string is less than string then or like okay. Okay. That makes sense. Yes. String goes up +1, and then we check that, and then until it's another T while else length as and T it's not figure keys. Okay. Let's see. So we check it first, right? If check equals, if it's true, we check if it's true. Print frequency, print target, frequency, print target. Okay. True. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, I see. And then we say if the length is less than string or okay. Okay, just if S L in frequencies. While L is less than it and SL not in frequencies. While L less than length S and S frequencies. What do you think it is? Ooh, gosh.
I
Because
think
I feel like, uh-huh.
if we adjust this to be very specific, we could figure it
Uh-huh.
out.
What do you mean specific?
For this case right here, it works because we let me see. This I'm assuming this doesn't work because we skip it and then can we trace this right here?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Okay. So it goes to Z.
Mm-hmm.
Z checks off this.
Uh-huh.
It's not in.
Yes.
So
Uh-huh.
you're gonna print SL. What your prints is, it prints. No. It does this. It prints that. Okay. L is now plus
Yes.
equals 1. L is 1. You
Mm-hmm.
continue. R is 1. So I guess let me get this. L equals 1. R equals 1. That's where we're at right now, right?
Yes.
We're at A. With R equals 1, S1 not in frequencies. Well, it is in frequencies. So check is automatically equal to true. For key in frequency.keys, if frequency at key is less than target at key, check equals false.
Mm-hmm.
And this means if all keys in the frequency values are greater than or equal to target values, save it to string. If length is less than cur or string is empty. Is that related to this? That might be right. That might be right here. So this, right? No, that needs to go down there, right? In here?
The check?
This highlighted that I'm on.
Yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So let's move this. I believe this goes over here.
Oh, okay. I think I see another problem, but I'll say afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to
After
understand.
we run it through.
For key and frequency keys, our frequency keys are A equals 1, B equals 1, C equals 1. Is that right? Like B1,
yes.
A1. Okay. So if key and frequency keys target, we have nothing in target, right? At this point.
No. Target is the ABC, so we have 1A, 1B, 1C.
Okay, so we have we have nothing in frequencies then at this point.
At this point, we have nothing in frequency. See, yes.
So
I think here's where the problem is.
Alright. I kind of got lost.
Cause right, because here, right, remember we have two dictionaries, right? One called
Uh-huh.
frequencies of the string, right?
Okay.
And we have another one called target of T, right?
Yes.
This target is gonna have key ABC as a keys, right? And its frequencies of each letter as its values. For example, we have 1A, 1B, 1C. So A is gonna have a value of 1, key B has gonna have a value of 1, key C is gonna have a value of 1, right?
Okay.
Because these are the amount of letters we need in a substring for it to be valid. On this target now, on the frequency dictionary is going to take care of tracking the frequencies of A, B, C, right, inside a substring, if that makes sense. For example, yeah. So for
Because
example,
it
in
gets reset to
substring,
0.
uh,
No.
it
Does it?
varies. It varies. Because,
Okay.
for example, on line 59, 50, 61, I think, we're subtracting from frequencies, right?
Okay.
After we move, right? Because we move left one over, we subtract that frequency first, right? So it varies depending on the left. So that's what's happening here. So we check each frequency, A, B, C, right? We check, is A less than target? Yes or no? Is A less than target? Yes or no? Is B less than target? Yes or no? This is to make sure that if all A, B, if one of those three letters is less than the specific frequency for that letter, for the target frequency,
Uh-huh.
that means it's false. We haven't met that requirement of the X amount of letters, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, A, right, it's considered 0, right? Because we haven't
Uh-huh.
updated the frequency for A,
Yeah.
right? So 0 less than 1, true, so that's why check is false, right? But here I think is where it comes a problem, because A should have a frequency of 1 though, because we already are at A. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and we don't update the frequency until line 71. You see the problem here? Where we are checking before we even update. If I don't know if that makes sense.
It does make sense.
Yeah, so I think we should move 71 through 73 above 40, above the check statement that we have in there.
Here.
Yes, right there. So here basically if R less than length S and R in frequency keys, right? I don't even think we need the first part, the R less than length S in the end keyword. I don't think we need it. We just want to check if it's in there. I don't know if that makes sense. You tell me if I'm talking nonsense.
I think it makes sense.
Yeah.
But we're using SR. Do you think that's gonna have a problem or no?
No, because SR we're going to the character. For example, SR at position 0, right? It's Z. SR at position 1, right? If R equals 1, so we're saying S at 1 is A, S at 2 is Z. So we're getting the character, right? And R and L start at the same letter, so it doesn't really affect that much. I don't think it will.
So okay.
Uh-huh.
Hold up.
Yeah, take your time.
So over here, this was having an issue because L wasn't moving. But
Mhm.
R is the one that's moving continuously because of the for
Yes.
loop.
Uh-huh.
So why don't we assign this to R?
Because we need 2 pointers,
Yeah.
right, to get a substring. If we move R, L is gonna stay the same. L is gonna stay at Z. And R is just gonna skip, it's gonna keep moving, yeah, but it's gonna say, get me from L to R, it's gonna get you from Z all the way to where R is. And C and L is at the beginning, if that makes sense. We need 2 pointers to get that substring.
But if you use it as R,
Mm-hmm.
and whenever we do find one in frequency keys, assign L to it, and then continue on from there.
Okay, I see that. I see that. Let me see. Let me think. Let me think. Then frequencies assign. Well, I think yes, it would work for the first one, right? But what if, right? For example, B, A, and C, right? Here on the first example, here on the test case,
Okay.
B, A, and C, which is the last four, right? L can be on B. Then when R hits N, right? It's not in frequency keys. N is not in frequency. So you're gonna set L all the way to N, and then you're gonna continue it again. You get me? So every time you hit a letter that's
I'm saying if SR not in frequency keys continue, if SR not in frequency keys continue, so whenever SR is not in keys, you continue, you go to C, and it's still doing the same thing. Right here is checking, it's minusing to whenever it says, all right, that's the minimum. When you assign L, you probably would not have this here, but you would assign, hold up. If you have SR not in frequency keys, once SR is in frequency keys, then you assign L to that. So now L's here. And then R keeps going. If it's not in there, keep going. If it's not in there, keep going. If it's in there, check it. All right, we still have more. If it's still doing the checks. If it's not in there, keep going. It's in there, boom, do the check. Oh, seems like we got everything. So now this one gets stored.
But when are you gonna move the L though? When R it's not in frequencies?
So now this is done. Wait, what do you mean? When are you gonna move the L?
What? Yeah, when are you gonna move the L? When
you move the L when R is in frequencies. But of course you're gonna have to change it to where it's not gonna duplicate. Not gonna duplicate once it sees more R's in frequencies. So I guess you could say if SR not in frequencies and L isn't currently on a letter that's in frequencies, then don't move L.
So you're never
L is right here.
Yeah.
And let's say R hits B.
Or
hits B. If the algorithm was if you hit a character that's in frequencies, move L. We're gonna instead say if R hits a character that's in frequencies and L is not on a character that's in frequencies, then move L. If it is, which it is, it's on A, don't move L.
So okay, so every time L is gonna stay on A, right? So every time and A is part of the keys, right? Of the frequencies, right? A
is a part of the frequency keys.
Yeah.
Yes.
So every time you hit B or C or A, L is gonna stay always on A. It's not gonna move. You get me? So you're again with that same problem where if you hit B, it's gonna check is L at frequency? Well, it has A. A is in frequency. All right, keep going. C. Well, L is still A. A is you're gonna keep going.
But
where
it stops is when the check sees where the check equals true. It continues to stay true, and then it gets this. Once it gets that substring, then that's when you have to move L. You move L over until it finds
To
a new frequency in keys. Or you move L over. You just move L over one, and then it does the same thing. Or and then you move R. Oh nah, never mind. Because R is a for loop, you can't really move it back. So I was thinking, okay, once it finds the minimum substring, now you move L. You move L over, you bring R back, or maybe you could just say move L over to the next thing right here, but R will still have to come back. I don't know, dude. Okay, never mind. I don't know.
or or
Nah,
you can
never
move
mind, never mind.
L to where R is, because R is
Yes,
on,
yes,
right?
yes. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. No, you can't do that.
Why
Where's R
not?
at? R at is right here, but we
Yeah,
still got B. Remember,
exactly.
so
Uh-huh.
B E C A.
Uh-huh.
You still gotta count that. You can't
Uh-huh.
just skip that if you go here. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so how's our code doing it right now then?
Well, L, right, is gonna go L, Z, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna move to
Okay.
A, and then from there, R and L are both in A, right?
Yes.
Because it's a continue. So R is gonna continue all the way through. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna check if it's true. Blah 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 blah. And then L, right, on line, I think it's on line 64 through 68, right?
Uh huh.
What L is going to do is going to say, all right, its frequency key is L or A in this case in frequencies. If it is, minus the frequency, right, of
Okay.
A, and then move it one forward. And then and then this while loop, I think what we're trying to do is to move onto the following lettering frequencies on line 71. You get me?
No, walk me through it with this right here.
Okay.
Sorry.
So it's gonna say Z, right?
Okay.
Z, right? It's gonna
Yep.
say hit the first if statement. It's gonna go to A. Now A and R are in the same letter,
Yep.
A, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna check, all right, on line 43. It's gonna say, all right, frequency at A plus one. So now A has a frequency of one in frequencies on that dictionary, right?
Okay.
And then it's gonna check if it's true. Well, one is not less than if frequency A has one and target A has one, right? They're not less than each other because they're equal, right? Well, let's go to B. B has a frequency of zero,
Yeah, which is
which
less
is
than.
less than frequency of one, so that's why it's false, right? So when we go to check on line 50, 55, it's gonna equal to false, right? So we're
Yeah.
gonna go again. Now R is on D,
Yep.
right? Now D is gonna continue the same thing. D is not
L
part of the
is where?
frequency.
L is A.
A, yeah, L is
Okay.
still at A. Right? D, right? Well, necessarily nothing is going to happen because they didn't give one more to B, they didn't give one more to C. We're looking for those two, right? So it's going to do the same thing. The check is going to return false. So we're going to go to B, right? Or to O. Same thing with D. It's not going to really do anything because it's not a B or a C, right? So it's not
Okay.
going to give any frequency. So the check is going to remain false. Going to move to B. Wait a minute, B is in a frequency. We'll add 1
Yep.
plus 1. Add B plus 1. Check if it's true. Well, A has 1, which fits the target. B has 1, which fits the target. But C is still 0. We're still looking for that one,
Yep.
right? So it's going to be false. Then it's going to go to E. And then it's going to go to C,
Uh huh.
right? C, that's the last one. That's a good one, right? So we have 1A, 1B, 1C. If it's the criteria, so it's going to return true. Then we're going to the check where we say, all right, if string length is less than length string or length string is equal to 0, well, we're just going to equal it to that substring, right?
Okay.
And then we're going to go to line 64. We're going to say L, right? Or L, which is
Mm-hmm.
A. If it's on frequency, subtract the 1 from frequency. So now on frequency on the table, on the dictionary for the frequencies of S, A is going to equal to 0, right? Why? Because we're going to move L all the way to D, right? So we lost that
To
A. A is gone.
We're gonna move L all the way where?
to D, to the one plus another, just to 1D, one forward from A.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Now
Uh-huh.
this while over here in 71, I think what we're trying to do is to continue moving L until we hit another letter in frequency, which is B.
Okay.
That's what we're trying. So this while loop is gonna hit B. Yeah. So that's pretty much what it's doing. That's how L is moving.
And now R is where still? It's still at C?
R is still C. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And then this continues.
That continues until we get that one in
A.
A. Cause yeah, exactly.
Because
Until that frequency.
right now it's B
Uh-huh.
and C. They have B and C. Now it's looking for
Yes. Exactly.
A.
Yeah.
Then once that is, you minus the B, you go until you
Uh-huh.
find another letter.
C.
And
Yeah.
then C is over, I mean, R is over here. So you know
Yeah.
you have a C and an A. Now you,
Well, we have a
no,
B.
we have everything.
We have everything.
So
Just gonna
what does
check
it do
that.
here?
Well,
Checks.
it's gonna
Get the
check
minimum
that,
substring.
right? Make it a minimum substring. Now L is gonna go to O, then D, then E, then B, right? And then we
Mhm.
still need that C, so R is gonna keep moving to find that C.
So now L is gonna get subtracted from frequency, and then you're gonna go find the next one, which is B,
Mm-hmm.
and then B, A, and C.
Yes, sir.
But our issue was that it's skipping, it's hitting this, and L is not going until B.
Mm-hmm.
And that's because it runs out.
Because I think
it runs out. Like the R is running out, which is why we added +1. But now when we add +1, another issue comes.
Yeah. This is yes.
So where are we at then?
Okay, so I think I suggested the L plus equal 1 because I think that's the most less tedious way to do it, right? Right. And then I suggested to move the frequency to at the frequency once we get R, because that's gonna help us for the check. Because we were checking beforehand before checking the R, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So we weren't really doing the proper check. Yeah. So just to read up the chat, hi. But did Eric, hey, tell him I said hi to get me some coffee. You know, tell him please and thank you, and I'll go to play some volleyball next time I go with him for sure.
Me no comprehendo.
Me no comprehendo.
Jose, can you translate that? Wait, no, let me guess.
Okay, yeah, for sure. I got you. Go for it.
Hi, Josecito. Joseito. Is that sort of like a cutesy thing? Like, oh my Josecito.
Yeah. Okay.
De parte de Eric. Okay. De parte. That's not a park. So it's not a park. De parte. I'm at? No. The thing. I left.
No.
I don't know.
Who do you? Well, I'm not gonna let you. I'm gonna let you guess for a couple more. I'm gonna give you some hints.
Okay. What's hint number 1?
When you do cards, you put. What do you put? 2, and then what's the next?
From.
2. So now say.
Okay.
So say hi.
Hi.
Go for it.
Josecito. From Eric.
Yes. Yeah. Pretty much.
I did not.
Yeah.
I did not.
Yeah. But now you do, my boy. Now you do.
Appreciate that.
Yeah. And Arturo, hey, welcome to the stream, my boy. Welcome to the stream.
I'm no sabo.
Nah, all good, brother. Hey, this year, bro, bilingual, fluent.
Yeah, you're right. So, all right.
Yeah.
Um, so you think adding this will fix the whole thing, or you think it'll just fix that?
I think it's
Um,
gonna do a little bit of improvement. I'm not sure if it's gonna completely fix everything, but I think it's gonna guide us in a better path. Okay, never
mhm.
mind. Oh, now we get Bay. Okay, I think this has to do for what length we are. Go down in the code. Let me see, because we're getting B, A, and C. We're printing it out, but I think, yeah, right here on 961. I think it's R plus one. Yes, sir. Ooh, we got some, except this one.
Wow.
But we got some. We're in there, bro. We're in there, bro. We're in there. We're in there. We're in there. Come on. Almost here. Almost here. Almost here.
Yeah, we just
Almost there.
need to
One more.
code this 250 character string. We're almost there.
We're
Let's look at
almost there.
that.
We're
Let's look at the
almost there.
outputs. Oh my!
Oh,
No,
no,
no
bro.
wonder my computer is lagging. This is why. We're outputting all this.
Oh, man, bro. That's crazy.
All right.
Okay.
What do you
I
see
think
here?
I think I know what is happening. I think we have to backtrack. For example, because all that S is valid, right? But it's not the smallest valid substring. Does that make sense?
Let me see.
Because we reached the end, right?
Yeah.
Until A, and it's valid, right? Until from what is it? H to A, it's valid, right?
Uh huh.
But that's the entire string is valid, but that's not the uh smallest substring. So I think we have to move L all the way until we get the smallest substring possible. For example, once R is in A, we have to move L all the way to J. I don't know if that
Okay.
makes sense.
Okay. Okay.
You get me?
Mhm.
You get me?
Mhm.
For example, is A, then we go, what is it? H, R is, if we move L to R, is from R to A valid? Yes, no. If we move L to U, is that valid? L to L, is that valid? L to T, is that valid? L to R, you get me?
Okay.
Yeah, so we have to like shrink it, get it all possible
And
all together.
why doesn't it do that automatically?
Well, because that is a very good question. Because I think our code basically runs from H all the way to A, and that is checking if it's true, right? But what it's doing here is like, yes, it goes through A, goes through all the letters, but mm, mm, what do you mean automatically?
Like H O H. I see what's going down. So this matches.
Mm-hmm.
They put some scribble scrabble,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's because it's duplicates. So
Mm-hmm.
this here has everything that this has
Yeah. But also what's
that
in
we
red
tracked
also has all those.
that we tracked from right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this is never stopping because we're not satisfying the whole thing. We're not satisfying the whole to get the minimum substring
Mm-hmm.
here because we don't have everything. But then there's
Yeah.
duplicates that come around that add
Uh-huh.
to it, and we're still not
Yeah.
satisfying it until we hit this A at the end, in
Yeah.
which we get the whole thing.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
So how should our code be able to say, okay, yes, this is good right here, but it's still not satisfying. So are you saying we should have like a last minute check on our code to where it just double checks at the end to make sure it from the beginning it shrinks it, checks if everything matches, shrinks it, checks if it matches, shrinks it, checks if it matches, shrinks it, boom, it doesn't match, then stops that shrink and then leaves that left over.
Yeah, right there. Uh-huh.
And
But I
that
think
should
we
be
can do it in
okay
here. I think we can do
in
it in here.
the code.
In like, yeah, from line 55 all the way through 73. I think we can do it
Okay,
from
and
all that. I think
what can you what did you think of?
I was thinking right now, right? Because like you said, right, all that red, all of this is like valid, right? Because the only letter that we need is A, and A is until the end, right? Even the red stuff has some letters of T, right? So of course the code is gonna include it because it starts at H and it's looking R is looking for that A, right? So as soon as we hit like a valid string, right, which is gonna be everything, we're gonna start retracting L on, and every time we retract L, we're gonna check, we're gonna check, we're gonna check, we're gonna check until we stop, until we hit a false, and then we're gonna, all right, get get what is it called? Um check if it's less than the string that we had. Right? And I think we can do that with a while loop,
Okay.
right? Where we can do um,
And that would
well
be right here.
L uh I think it will be outside the if statement. Wait. Hmm. Not sure where it would go.
I'm curious as to
Yeah? Yeah, for sure, for sure.
if it needs to be outside the for loop
Mm-hmm.
up here, or but you
Yeah.
said you could do it inside. So now I'm curious where you're talking about.
I was thinking, so we're checking if it's valid. Mm, let's see, let's see. While I was mm, okay, so I think we can do while check,
Where at?
right?
Oh,
On
right here.
yeah, yeah, yeah. While check, right? So it's gonna keep going until
Check.
it's a
It's
false. We're
false.
gonna do, right, we have to check the length, and then we're gonna do um if it's in the frequency plus equal 1. I think we have to delete that while loop on the bottom, 71.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah, because I think it's gonna do the same thing as what we're trying to do,
Okay.
right? And then we have to check again if the current substring is valid. So for that, I would say we have to copy from line 46 to 49, that for loop, the entire thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think that maybe might work. Might. What do you think? What do you think?
I think uh I'm not I'm actually I'm scared that
Why? Uh-huh.
this being gone might mess up stuff, but yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because how is L gonna
Okay.
get? How is L gonna move whenever it finds a substring?
Well, here in the wild, L is gonna keep moving, right? If it's true, right? So it's gonna say if it's true, right? Update the string. If it's the criteria, then we're gonna subtract a frequency if L is in the is part of the T's, and then it's gonna move to the next one, right? And I was gonna check, well, L, right, from wherever L is to S, that substring, is that still valid,
Yeah.
right?
But what
Right,
if
and
L, when you're moving L, it passes up a valid letter?
what do you
Like
mean a valid letter?
like let's say this right here. You're
Uh-huh.
doing this each time you find a substring, right? Each time you find a substring.
Uh-huh.
Let's say this is a
Yeah.
substring.
Uh-huh.
You're seeing how far can I minimize it before it becomes invalid, right?
Yes.
While you're doing that, nah. Nah, okay, that works. I think that. I
Okay,
don't know.
what's
Okay,
it what
I was saying
yeah.
like, what if L passes up T? T is valid, and then there's actually another minimum substring right here. But I'm not too sure. Yo, what's up, Jeremy? How's it going? How you
Hey,
doing?
what up, my
How's it
boy?
going?
How
How
you
you doing?
doing? I got a haircut. Yes, I did. I got a haircut this week. This week. I much needed a haircut. I had like a jungle over here in my head. So I got a little bit short this time, a little shorter, so it's better. But thank you, thank you. So, but welcome to the
Okay,
stream, welcome to the stream.
ignore what I
Yep,
said.
yep.
Ignore what I said.
Oh,
Okay, now what? So this needs to
you
check for
want?
substrings,
Yes.
and how will we do that?
Well, it does it already. Because now, right, from a substring, we have a certain amount of frequencies, right, of letters. And L, right, if it's part of that T, it's going to subtract one, subtract until one of the letters, or ABC or whatever T is, it's zero, it's going to go
Ah,
false, and then boom.
so this right here does it.
Well, that just moves L, and then if it's T, it subtracts the frequency, one from the frequency, and then it checks.
Okay,
Checks
so
if
you
the uh-huh.
so you want me to run it?
Let's see. Oh, let's see how it goes. Nah, man. What do you mean, Jeremy? What do you mean? Hey, but thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, ooh. We got some test cases. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, never mind. I'll take it back.
I predicted that. I'm joking. I didn't know. I didn't have no justification to think that that would have happened. So, how about we just do it outside the for loop? It's a last check. It's like you're in the airport or whatever. You got that
Yep,
one
yep.
like security guard at the final door. Like, okay, yeah, you're good. Like, like I
Yeah.
don't know.
Uh-huh. We can. But
I don't know.
but
But
what if what if it's in the middle though?
it's
What if these
not
small
because the issue is our last output needs to
uh-huh,
be the most minimum.
most minimum.
So we're gonna get our lowest minimum input with this code, but that lowest minimum input could also include duplicates that can be shaved off. So if that's ever the case, shave it off.
Okay. Yes, I see you. I see you. I see you.
I don't
Hmm.
think there's gonna be a part where we gotta shave off something in the middle. Oh wait. Yeah. Because you could have. Wait.
For example, in this case,
Yes,
let's say
you're right. You can have this right as our minimum, but let's say inside here
you,
there was something that met the criteria, right here.
uh-huh. Yeah.
I see what you're saying.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I see what you're saying. And that would never
Yeah.
get checked. Wait, yes it would. Yes it would, because A, let's
Yeah.
say A was found right here, it will stop right there, and then it would
Mm-hmm.
be this,
Yeah.
and you still could shave it off and get to that.
Yes, but
But
right. But let's say we have, for example, in this case, we have H's, right? And we have multiple. Wait.
I'm gonna read the comments real quick. Los, I'm going to
Yeah, for sure.
Los. Oh, what the? Lois is gonna set you up with a blind date. It's going to be with me. Boy, I saw you smile.
Yeah.
Boy, I saw you smile when you read that. You gotta make. Oh, I don't know what you mean by that.
Yeah, it's Jeremy going wild over here, my boy.
I don't know what you mean by that. This is a family-friendly stream. I have no clue what you're talking about.
Hey, Jeremy, fella. This man is wild.
All right, keep going.
All right. Um, you're right. You're right. You're right. Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you're saying we
You
get the
said
smallest one?
you said what happens if it's in the middle?
Yes.
If it's in the middle, that means that another A is right here, and that means it will stop there. It will stop right there.
Yes. Yes.
Let's say, oh, what if I was in the middle of this? Well, that means there was an A like right here, and it would have stopped right there. That's the minimum.
Yes.
Then
Uh-huh.
shave off the extra and get to that only what you want.
Mm-hmm.
So
But
I
what if we
think
can shave off what we don't want without creating another while loop outside?
well, there's
The
definitely a way to do that,
oh,
but we're trying to solve a hard problem. Our first ever hard problem here.
okay, I get you. All right, let's do that then. Let's do that. Yeah, I tried it my way, Phil. Let's see yours. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm
no,
excited. I'm excited.
no, I don't know how I do it. Let's see. Um, so
Okay, so if you want to go, mm,
I mean, kind of like what I mean. Isn't it just this right here? And it's just another
yeah,
while loop outside
yeah, uh-huh,
without the check though.
yeah.
Let's see, like that. None
Mm-hmm.
of this. While what?
While L less than R? No, less than length.
You could just
Ufas.
assign it a boolean, right?
Yeah.
While and
But
then
we
just
need a
break
break
it.
case though.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
we can
break it
break it. Yep. Okay.
whenever it's
Okay.
true. Okay, so while true, we don't need this, right?
Mm, I do because we're checking if it's length. Because what if there's multiple truths inside that string?
Okay. So like this, decrement.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna remove this.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm not mistaken.
Mm,
I'm probably mistaken.
okay.
If I'm not mistaken, this is the same code we had up here.
Mm-hmm.
Why it didn't work, I have no clue. But this might act as the last
Check.
check.
Okay, this is yes.
No, this is incorrect. How are you gonna rechange? You gotta remodify the string. We're not modifying it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or are we? Yeah, we're adding it.
Mm, but over here, as long as it's if you
Cause
return string there,
uh, cause
you're gonna
arrows.
return. Uh-huh.
Keep going.
You're gonna return the first, even though you're gonna return the following true. If that makes sense. It's not gonna be the smallest one. It's gonna be the following true. It's like gonna be the second one. You're gonna have your big string, and then the following valid one is you're gonna return that.
So you're saying there's a big string.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna go right here and return this.
If that's valid, yes.
Okay.
Because you have to keep on checking. You have to keep on moving L and checking every letter with when L moves. Right? You gotta keep
So
checking, keep checking, keep checking, keep
so we need
checking,
to
keep checking.
go. We need to go until it's unvalid, and
Exactly.
then
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh,
So I think here you can do four key in frequency keys. If free keys key for less than target, you can break out of it, right? You can break out, and that will give you your lowest one, if I'm not mistaken.
okay. And then yeah. You think so?
I think so.
Or does this need to be incremented after?
Oh. Mm, I don't think it matters that much.
Well, because we're string is going to be incorrect whenever you return it, like this, because you added an extra. You added over. It turns out it's bad. You still
Well,
added
when it's
this. How are you going to go back?
Well, it's because string switches up first, so string is equal to L, and then afterwards L gets
Oh,
incremented, but
okay,
you're
okay.
never gonna use that incremented L because you're gonna break
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it works. I think it works.
All right, we think it works. Run it.
Oof, us.
Why didn't it do that last time?
Oh, because we had that we had that check that would prevent us from running into that problem. Because check will always be true on this while loop.
This.
No, on the first one.
So what happened? Why? What did I?
You
I don't get it.
deleted line 88 from 90 from that while loop. So
This was in there.
while yes, that was in there.
No, it was this.
Well, it was that. Yeah. But then you moved it over here, I think. So you
But
have
we
to put
moved
it
this
to the first
over.
while statement, to the bottom of the first while statement.
But why? We only added this to check for your approach, and then that was it.
Well, yeah, because this while works the same way as your while, because it has to repeatedly check and check and check and check, and it stops until it hits an uh invalid substring. So it needs that check inside the while loop. Yay or nay?
I got lost, bro. I'm so confused now.
Where? You're confused. Why is it?
You want
Look.
this in the while
Yes.
check right here. And
Yes.
I said why because before we even put this in there, we didn't get this error.
Because when we put it in there, that for loop is gonna give us a false check. It's gonna equal it to false whenever frequency is whenever the if statement is true. Well, since without that for loop, right, without line 46, while is gonna keep on going true, right? And then L is gonna keep incrementing passing the length of the substring. So we need to check if the substring that we have right now is true. I don't know if that
So
makes sense.
so how did it work before when we didn't have this in there?
Uh, oof. Well, we always had it in there
We did?
with a
Am
while.
I am I tripping or am
Yeah,
I
I think you're tripping, boy.
No, we had this out
Yeah.
there. We had this
Well,
outside the while loop the whole time.
no, we had it
Yes.
there, and we had two. We had it there and in the while loop.
Oh, we had two.
We had two. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So copy and put
Put it
this
at the
after
bottom. At the
this.
bottom.
At the bottom.
Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. I think now it should work.
Woohoo! Tripping.
Tripping.
I'm tripping.
Tripping.
No, that's it. I'm
Tripping.
gonna go back. No. I'm gonna see if I'm
What do
tripping or
you?
not.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Yeah, for sure. Take your time. Uh,
I'm gonna go back.
of course. Yes. I can see
Oh.
it. Jeremy Santibani's, did you ever figure out the problem from last stream? From last stream, we started this problem and we're gonna continue it. This is last stream's problem. This is a hard problem, but if you're referring to the one we did past streams ago, 2 streams ago, I remember it. I think it had to do with ah, we had to do with strings too, with Windows. And yes, we did figure it out. We have the solution at the beginning of last stream. I think it's the first 30 minutes. We went over it and stuff like that. So yes, you can see it in there.
Hey,
For sure.
I went back to the video and I didn't see this inside of it, bud.
What do you mean? Let me see.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Let me see.
I'm saying it how it is.
You're tripping, bro. You're tripping.
Call me crazy.
Oh, let me see. It was in there. Go to minute. What is it? Minute. Oh, it doesn't tell me the minute. Minute where it says negative 1840.
Negative 1840.
Yeah.
Yes, that's when we were doing your approach.
Yeah, that was in there.
Yes, but before we weren't getting this error whenever we had the code that we had before that approach.
Oh, beforehand. Oh, okay. I misunderstood you then. Beforehand, we would only run it once. So we go from L to R once, right? We didn't have the need for that second check, right? Because L Was it? It was moving, right? But I don't know if that or while statement, the L less than length S. Um, I'm not sure if that one was working.
Okay.
Cause, hmm, because we didn't need a double check.
What seems what seems like it worked for this one. We got a returning viewer. Mateo
Yeah.
said the
Hey,
last.
Mateo.
Welcome back, Mateo. It says they say the last while loop never ends as you don't break out of it. You break out of the for loop inside the while loop, but the while loop continues.
Ah, okay. I see. Okay, that makes sense. Because that breaks out of the for loop and not the while loop.
Oh.
That makes sense.
Okay, well then.
You can create a variable.
Yeah. The
While var. Yep, yep. Fair enough.
let's see what happens, baby. Come on. Lock in. Woo! Let's go, Jose.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So what's happening now?
Is it because we already exhausted L over here whenever we're doing it again? We need to
Yeah, I
say
think so.
we need to say L at the substring. Oh, ho, ho. Right? We need to re-say L. Hold up, I lagged. You're still there with me? You're still there? You're still there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm
Okay,
here.
okay. We need to say oh my gosh, what's going on? We need to say L um equals 0, and then it's string L. A, or no?
I think so. Yeah, I think that. Well, I will always gonna. I think that has to be outside though. The L equals 0 because every while loop, every
Yeah,
iteration is gonna
yeah.
set it to 0.
L is equal back to 0. And then
Yes.
we want to check string L. Yay or nay?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Do we have to do? I'm still wondering why this is here.
Well, because if that's where we're gonna check if the substring is less than of the current substring.
But we know. Oh, so this would redo it to a smaller substring.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. 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 What am I missing?
Mm, it's because I know. I think what's gonna mess us up too is the dictionary because the dictionary it's already depleted. It's not the. Wait
Yeah.
a minute.
No, frequencies is always stays the same though, eh? Or is that target?
Yeah, no. Targets always stays the same, but frequencies. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure.
Why can't we just say it like?
Because let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Frequency. I think you're good. I think frequency is gonna stay the way you left it. If that makes sense. With the current number of characters inside that substring. So I think you're good from that aspect. Just.
What do you mean? Frequency should be. It's gonna be a minus on the last letter L was on.
Mm-hmm.
there's going to be one less value of that in the frequency substring. I mean, in the frequency dictionary.
What do you mean?
You're saying that the frequency dictionary is going to be fine.
Yes.
So you're saying I should run it?
Go for it. Hmm.
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 Uh. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm getting irritated, and that's because this question we've been on for about a total of three,
We got
5,
an hour
4.
in here.
Yeah, we had at least a good hour on it already right now, which we already spent 3 hours on it last time.
So
So,
this is a total of
see,
4 hours.
hear me out. We
Yeah.
move the left pointer of string and
Yeah.
check to see if it's valid.
Yes.
Once the L pointer is the once the substring shrinks enough to where it becomes invalid, return the last recent valid substring.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that hard? Doesn't sound so hard, does it?
It doesn't sound that hard.
We
Yeah.
already got the main stuff out of the way. So why
Yeah.
is this an issue?
It's because
And
I don't know. I feel like it's because we're repeating kind of the same logic. Because
I see what you're saying for sure.
right, I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit of a conflict in there. Hmm.
I know it's not the most optimal, but
Yeah.
this is our first ever hard problem. We've been on it for almost 5.5 hours.
Yeah.
Almost 5 hours.
Just.
Let's solve it. End of
We can. Yeah.
story. We gotta move on,
End of
Jose.
story.
Look, we got a whole bunch of other questions. A whole
I
bunch of
get
other
you.
questions.
No,
And
I
we've been
get you. I get
stuck
you. I
on
get you.
this problem. I just want to say I've completed a hard problem.
Alrighty.
Right for
I
right
think.
now.
I think. I don't know. Because I think we can do it in one while loop though. Because if we're repeating the same code,
Yeah.
it's like if we're
I know we
repeating,
can, Jose. I know we
but I
can.
think, like, if we're repeating the same code though,
Yeah.
and if you trust me,
I trust
we
you,
can
bro.
do it.
Honestly, I trust you.
Do you trust me? Give
I
me
do.
5 more minutes. 5 minutes, right? I think I know how to fix it.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you give 5 more minutes, I think, and if not, we follow your way. I'm good to go.
Okay.
But I think we could do it in one. All right.
All right. I'm with you. I'm with you when you're
All
ready.
right. Okay, I'm here.
Jeremy Santibanya said, ask GPT. I'm gonna be real with you. Me and GPT have been on like bad blood recently. Like we've been beefing back and forth. So I don't know if we're on talking terms right now, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes.
We'll see. We'll see.
Mateo said,
Uh,
another overall approach is to move the right pointer until you have a valid window. Then you move the left pointer until the window is not valid, whilst checking.
the Windows
I can't
side.
see the new, what does it say?
New window size,
The
I think.
the min window size.
The main window size. Okay. That's our approach, Mateo. That's what we're trying over here. I think that's where we're going, and I think I found the way.
Okay.
All right. So first, go to line 43.
Not quite there.
Yeah. String length, that's gonna equal +1. Right? Because +1 is gonna give us sincere length is being calculated from starting at 0. So we need that +1 to start at 1, if that makes sense. For
Sure.
example, yeah?
I'm with you when you're right.
Yeah, okay. So in the while, right, now we're gonna check, I think it's L has to be less than or equal to R. That way we don't overflow in the first while statement. Yeah, right there. Oh, wait. No, I think it has to be before. L less than equal to R and yeah. Because I think even though it might be true, right, we might be get that overflow. All right, so now run that. Let's see how that works. No, wait. Delete, comment out line 64 to 65. That while loop. Run it. Oh my God, bro. Big boy's mad now. Oh. What the heck? Why? Go to case number 7. Oh, we're still getting that.
What? Oh, never mind. Sorry. I misunderstood.
You tried. I did, Jeremy. I did. Oh man. So if L is less than R and check, so that's true. Oh, 5.5 hours out. Yep. Yeah, pretty much. Well, less than equal to R and check. Print print target. If a certain length is length, yes. Uh-huh. That should work. What do you think? What do you think?
Honestly, bro, I came into the stream with
Excited?
the odds against me,
Uh-huh.
and it's showing.
No. We're gonna solve this.
It's showing. I woke up at
Shit.
1, almost 2 p.m. today. I went to sleep at 7:30 a.m.
Uh-huh. Damn, bro. You're crazy for that.
My cycle is all messed up. My mentality is messed up. I'm at an all-time low right now.
Damn, bro.
And you're saying, I think we could do it in one loop.
I
All
think so,
happy,
bro.
happy and so excited. And I'm over here eating my veggie strips, veggie sticks, whatever they're called. I'm trying to just get some ounce of juice
Energy.
to solve this hard problem. I'm joking.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh, I
what's
see
up,
what the problem is. I think I
see
had
it too.
epiphany.
I see it too. What is it?
STRN. STRLN. That thing is not getting updated. You get
This
me?
right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're gonna do parentheses R minus L plus 1.
That.
Think so. Run it. Yeah, run it. Mother trucker, bro. Mother trucker.
Jose, let's go, Jose.
Damn, why didn't Jose get invited to the get together? We need to make that happen. Hey, we'll get together. Nah, I wasn't here. I wasn't here.
He just
I
got
was
back today.
I just got back today. I just got back today. Bro, oh my God, bro. Where is it failing us? Where is it failing us, brother? Where is this failing us? Where is it failing us?
I mean, I hear this sorry music in the background. Oh man, I'm
You're
gonna let it all out.
you're mad. Ah,
Change this.
start from scratch, boys. Ooh, sufa.
Who said that?
Jeremy.
Oh.
I don't think we got the energy for that, my boy.
Start from scratch. Start from scratch. Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
agree.
that's what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to do.
I think I was thinking about it in the beginning. I was like, let's start off with Excel Did this man
Uh-huh.
just free
I'm here.
roaming? You taking a
I'm
walk?
here. No, I'm here. No, I'm here.
I'm joking. I'm
I'm here. I'm
joking.
here.
I think we should have done Excel in the beginning to
Uh-huh.
visualize it again. At least I needed that visualization.
Okay,
I
okay.
kind of understand it now, but now when
Too
it comes to
late.
this, it comes into this new modifications of yours that I'm trusting. I'm letting you do it and seeing if all the cases are correct.
I get you. I get you. I get you. Bro, where do you think we're going wrong though? Where do you think we're going wrong? We friends though.
You want to print out the substring right here?
Yeah. Let's see. Hmm.
Like this, right? No.
Yeah. To R
Like
plus one, I
this?
think. Yeah. Yep. That is true. That is true.
Oh, shouldn't it be over here, K7 or no?
Yeah.
Don't tell me we don't even get to see it.
But why is it? I think it's check. I think it's the. That's so weird. Because even though check is false, we're still hitting this while statement. Does that make sense?
Uh,
Because check here, everything of here, it's false, and we're still hitting that if statement. We're still hitting the while, where we should just jump it.
all right. I don't know if this helps, but I gave you that.
Yeah. What
Oh,
do you think?
look.
What do you
Okay,
think?
look, it's moving. Look, it's moving. R E
It's
C
moving.
C E T T O R H M T TA. Come on, go to J, baby. Go to J. Keep going. Boom, it
Oh,
hits
there's
J right
J.
here.
It's J right there. Oh, wait a minute. Hallelujah. 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 Okay, 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 okay. String is less than or. I mean, it's hitting J, right?
Yeah.
It's printing that, then it's hitting J,
So whenever it's
right?
outside of the for loop, when you print string, what are we getting?
Go for it. I think we're just getting.
You're getting everything.
Yeah, we're getting everything.
So how do we overwrite that?
Because I think. Hmm. I think it's the if statement, no? We're so close, my guy. We're so close. On the if statement here in line 55, print hello. Let's see. Let's see what if we're even hitting that.
Which one?
On 55? Yeah, right there. Hello, it's me. You see, we're not entering there.
Mira, mira.
Mira, mira, mira. Mira, mira, mira. Wow. Why are we entering there? Wow, 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 wow. Bro, I'm
I
getting.
think I got it.
Okay, go for it.
Let's just try. Uh,
Mm. Mm. We
all
got that
right.
one though.
Yep, we got this. We got this one.
Why didn't we get the other one?
Well, I'm just happy we got that one. That's why I got up. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to be like, oh, I fixed it. But that's why I got up. Now let's figure this out. Mateo said, don't bother with line 26 if statement. I know it makes sense to move L until it finds a letter and frequency, but it makes it harder to code. Pseudocode, move right pointer until you have valid window, then move left until not valid while updating the min window.
So he's basically saying that we could delete to not focus on 926 through 29. Pretty
Oh
much.
no. He's saying, wait. No, I don't know. Wait. Move right pointer until you have valid window, then move left pointer. Okay, you get the min. Now, if there's still letters in that string, then you move right window. Like you move. Then what?
Okay, so
Anyways,
he's basically saying move to right until you get a valid window and then move left until you get an invalid window.
yes, and I'll give you the minimum
Yeah. Yes.
substring. But what if there's
Yes.
more letters after the R?
Well, that's a while loop. Then you go for the for loop. The for loop is gonna make sure it goes to the. Wait, is even the while loop inside the for loop?
Okay.
Do we have the while loop inside the for loop?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong for loop. All right, but my bad, my bad, my bad. Okay. So do you want to listen to Mateo and just comment out that 26 through 29? See.
I mean, look at the cases that we only had 2 cases, and these are. This one was. Does the same thing except for the first. We could try to solve this real quick, and then I would want to do Mateo's approach. Yeah.
Alrighty. Fair enough, fair enough. Okay, okay. So expand it. Okay, so we got Cabrera. Cabrera. So we got ADOBEC. And then we got BECODBA. And then from A, we go to B, we go to C. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, okay, Mateo. Okay, okay. We got that,
What's
Mateo.
up, Courageous? How you doing?
Courageous, welcome to the stream. Long time no see, buddy. Welcome, welcome.
School starts tomorrow. School starts
Yep.
tomorrow.
Is this the maximum window problem again? Yep,
It
yep, yep.
is. Minimum
It
window.
is. We're
Minimum.
so close though. We're so close. We're close. We're close. But why does eliminate 26? Because everything works except that one. So we go A. Oh, I think I know what it works, maybe? No. No, I don't. I don't. I would say to give it a shot. Just comment it out. Let's see how it works. Or are you the one to? The S statement.
I feel like we're too close, man. We're too close.
They're too close? Alrighty,
like,
alrighty.
We're here. Let me just uncomment these print statements real quick to get a better understanding of what's going on.
Okay. Let's start from. So we reach NC, right?
Yep.
But where's L? Print L? Let's see where L is at this moment in time. No, on the if statement, because I think I know what's happening. I think we're jumping NC because of the L. Try to put something similar to like print, the first print where it says like SL. Yeah, there we go. Go down.
It's lagging.
All good, all good.
I'm gonna move it. Just
and you see there, when L is at O, right? We move our moves, right? So now we jump N. When L is at D, we jump C. So, okay, I see what's happening. When we've hit an invalid string, right? Because it's gonna go, I think, go to the test, to the test kit, the print statements.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Yes, yes, my bad, my bad. You see, it ends at codeba, right?
Yeah.
That's the last valid string, right? So what L does, it's you know what L, it's gonna move to O, right? The last
The next.
yes, on when we check on the while loop, it's CBA, so that's valid. So because we're trying to find the invalid, L moves 1 to O, and we subtract that C. Now that string is invalid. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So since it's invalid, it breaks out of the while loop, it continues to the for loop, and now it says L starts at O. Now we're at top, right? L starts it's at O, and R it's at N, right? So L is going to be LO. O in frequencies no, plus 1, continue. We move L to D and to C, right? So we never got the chance to check N, right? And then when L is at D, D not in frequencies, move 1 to E, uh, and then we're going to do, I think it's C to, well, R is already at C, right? And R is going to get moved because of the continue, and we didn't get to check that C. And since R is already past the length, it breaks out so that we never reach the end C. If that makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah. So if we want to like get rid of this problem, we can delete the that if statement, and I think that will solve our issue.
All right.
But you get what I'm saying? Or
Yes,
no?
I do.
Yes? Because that is a minimum substring, and then L is gonna move to O, right?
So you're saying right here.
You're right there.
Cross it out.
Toss it out or
Cross
comment
it
it out
out.
if you want. Yeah.
Okay.
And then run it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Carlos. Come on. Come on. We did
So
it.
emotional right now. All right, I'm gonna run it. Submit it, bro.
Submit
I
it.
submit
Submit
it.
it. Submit it. Submit it. Submit it. You know, copy it. You know, see, see if it lands. Oh, the output. We have to remove the print statements. Remove the print statements. Remove the print statements.
Oh, that pissed me
Oh,
off.
oh man, we're cooked. Our
We're part
perfect
of the.
submission.
Oh man,
Oh man. All the print statements, all the print statements, all the print statements.
we're part of the
The
40
what
the
is it?
40
I think it's 60%.
part
We're
of
part of
the
the
57
3.3. The
the
50. Yeesh.
57%.
Yeesh, bro.
Oh brother, I'm pissed now. We did all
All
that
wait,
just to
wait, wait, no,
fail.
no, wait. We got more print statements. We got more print statements.
Okay.
Yeah, right there, right there, right there.
What else? What
There
else
we
am I
go.
missing?
I think that's all.
Okay. Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Woo!
We're at the end, but we're
All the
in
way at
there.
the
We're
end,
in there.
baby.
We're
That's
in
what we're
there.
talking
We're
about.
in there. We're in there. We
Good
are in there, my
stuff.
boys. We are in there.
I need
You
a.
see
You know
that?
what? I need some hype music now.
Ooh,
Celebration.
bro. Celebration. Yes, sir. You know, Mateo, you're the GOAT. Jeremy, you're the GOAT. Courageous, you're the GOAT. Kyra, you're the GOAT. The man, Clark the man, you're the GOAT.
Yeah.
Ali, you're the GOAT. Well, Arturo, you're the GOAT.
Good stuff,
You know,
Mateo. Good
let's
stuff,
go.
Gorgeous. Good stuff, everyone.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's go, bro. You
Wow.
excited? Yeah. Woo! It's because we had the right idea, but we just the pieces weren't on the right place. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man.
All right. Let's see what the
We
other solutions were.
we said this last year was gonna be an hour. We're 2 hours deep.
Mind you, I told Jose before the stream started.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do a short stream, 1 hour. So, 2 hours in.
Two
No.
hours in.
So, anyways, I don't know what this is saying. So,
I think. Yeah.
I don't want to look through it right now. Left, right. Okay, this is more of a, okay. This
Our
is what,
approach.
yeah. No, yeah, I don't know. All right, Jose.
All right.
What's your insane level, brother?
I'm like at 6 or something in there.
If you're
I'm
a
at
6, then I'm a 6,000.
Nah. Nah, but we did it though. We did it. We persevered. We persevered. That's what matters the most. We in here.
All right. Now what? That's
All
it.
right. Hey, you
We
say you want
solved
to
the
keep it
problem?
short. We solved the problem. I know you said you wanted to keep it short. I respect that. So if you want to call it here, I'm good with that.
I think so. Next
Yeah.
stream we're on binary search. All right.
We're gonna.
We
Hey, I'm down to finish both.
we did stack before. Because only one question, so we did that already. So we're on binary search for next stream, which will be next week. School's starting this week, so we gotta figure out what time we can
The
stream
time
at.
schedules and stuff. Yep.
So me and Jose gotta talk about that. But other than that, I think it's most likely gonna be a weekend, right? I don't know if there's
Yes.
anything during the week that we could do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Possibly, maybe, I don't know.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see how these guys are working and
But
stuff.
all right,
But I'm just happy we finished this problem.
That's been 26 weeks in a row that we've
26
streamed.
weeks. Damn.
We're 26 weeks straight.
Damn. 26
So,
weeks.
Hope y'all see that commitment. We're doing it for us and y'all, so we could get some feedback. We can also help others. That's kind of it. We went from rags to riches in LeetCode
Rags to
terms.
riches.
We could go to our first stream, barely being able to solve an easy problem. Now look at us. We just solved our first hard problem.
The first hard problem, my boy. First hard problem. Too easy. We could do it. You could do it.
If we could do it, you could do it.
Yes, sir.
Don't take no for an answer. Don't let someone drag you down like me dragging down Jose, trying to stop the problem. Persevere. And that's what I'm here for.
Persevere, my boys.
I'm here to test Jose and test his perseverance.
And I'm here to test Carlos to keep on going, to never give up.
So, good stuff, man.
Yeah, all good. Hey, but all us, bro. All us, brother. All us. On the chat, of course, they helped us. But we finished it. And just saying, 47% of the people that answered the poll, 43% want the implant. The Neuralink implant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I would get it.
For me, I'll tell you no. I don't know.
Okay, $1 million. They give you $1 million.
$1 million. That's too little.
Well, do you want an implant?
I would say
or no implant.
Yeah.
And no $1 million.
I'd say give me 10 million. Give me 10 million.
You're negotiating over here?
I'm negotiating over here.
Okay.
You know, you're gonna be messing with my brain, so I'm gonna mess with your wallet. You know?
I like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know?
Okay. Let me hear the
So it's 10 million, right? You're gonna pay for all my medical bills, right? You're gonna give me insurance, right? And you're gonna give me the latest updates and anything, like the latest of the Neuralink. All of
Uh-huh.
those. Or like the medical, I gotta get some tested, my brain has to be tested, so for everything to be all right and everything. 'Cause I don't want for like a little, spark of just like two little cables doing
Okay,
a
what
little
about this?
spark.
Let's
Uh-huh.
negotiate. You get the
Okay.
10 million, you get the updates. There's a caveat, there's a catch though.
Okay. Okay.
I'm the
Okay.
one coding the updates.
Ooh. I
You're
trust
gonna
you. I
die,
trust
bro.
you.
I'm sorry. They're gonna die, bro. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna mess something up somehow.
uh
Well, I
no,
know
I
that
trust you for that. I trust you. I trust you.
it's gonna be
I
over.
trust you. Yeah, I trust you. I trust
So then
you.
there goes that healthcare that you wanted. That ain't gonna do anything.
Yep.
Damn.
No, but I trust you, brother. I trust you.
That's
Of
fine.
course, with practice, right? With practice, you're gonna get practice with like different, test subjects and stuff. Then go on to me. You get me?
No. I'm like right now, where I'm at right
Oh,
now. I
no
do
offense,
updates for
brother.
you.
Yeah, no offense, brother, but
You're not taking the 10 million?
I'm not taking 10 minutes, boy.
Damn.
Nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I look at you differently now.
No, what do you mean? What do you
Yeah, I
mean?
look
What do
at you
you
differently,
mean?
bro.
What do you mean? Bro, what if I like my brain gets messed up and I can't move? I'm just like a vegetable.
Well, at least I don't know. That's a good question.
Who's keeping the 10 million?
Maybe me.
Maybe you, maybe you.
Nah, I'm just joking. All right,
Nah, I'm joking to you.
all right, Jose. That
All right,
concludes the
brother.
stream, everyone.
This
We'll
concludes the
see
stream.
y'all next week.
Yes, sir.
To
Yes,
be
sir.
determined. To be determined when, but sometime next week.
Yes, sir.
Um,
So,
hope y'all, if y'all
yeah.
are in school, let's have a good semester. Make sure we hit the ground running,
Sprinting.
sprinting, running, crawling,
Yeah.
however you want to do it.
Yes. Yep.
But
Yeah.
Jose, any last words, man?
No, I'm good. Thank you guys for tuning in. Everybody came here, so thank you guys for helping us. Mateo, Jeremy, Croges, the Clat the Man, Kyra, Ali, Arturo. Thank you guys for coming in, for tuning in. And yeah, just take care. Wherever it is, have a great day, great morning, great afternoon, great night, depending your time. So just have a great day. From my side, I'm good. I
All right.
don't know about you, Carlos. Yes.
I'm good too.
Alrighty.
All right, see ya.
Alrighty. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye. Yes, sir. Hey, we finished.